Hey, Anj here from 10,000 Feet. So you just won this new project, but how do you know who's available to work on it? Let's take a look. Our schedule view shows you everyone on the team. You can start to see who's working on what, when people have availability, and when people are overbooked with the red warning bar. You can use the filter menu to find just the right people for your projects by discipline, skill set, location, and more. So let's imagine that you need to schedule a designer next week on a project that's been bumped in priority. I've filtered to my design team, and now I click on View Allocation Heat Map to get a view of each team member's utilization. Those that are overutilized are displayed in red, those under in gray. Here I can see that Adriana is at 25% utilization next week, so I can choose the project and schedule her right from this view. Let's imagine you need a team member with a specific skill, let's say Photoshop, for 2 weeks on a project starting tomorrow. Turning on Availability Sort quickly surfaces available team members to the top. The project starts tomorrow, and I need this person for 2 weeks, so just click on the top team member, pick the project, and boom, you're all done. Ready to make more confident decisions about scheduling your team? Learn more and sign up for a free trial at 10,000feet.com.